If you notice the screen lighting up randomly on Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's usually caused by motion settings, gestures, or notifications waking the display. Here's how to stop it quickly. Start by adjusting your motion and gesture settings. These features can wake the screen even when you don't intend to. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap Advanced Features. Then select Motions and Gestures. Disable both Lift to Wake and Double Tap to turn on screen. Next, manage your notifications. Certain alerts can automatically wake the screen even when you're not using the phone. Go back to the Settings screen and tap Notifications. Tap App Notifications, then review the apps sending alerts and turn off any that you don't need lighting up your display. Another fix is enabling accidental touch protection. This prevents the screen from waking up when your phone is in your pocket or bag. To do this, go back to the Settings screen and tap Display. Then scroll down and enable Accidental Touch Protection. Finally, make sure your screen is clean. Dirt or moisture can cause false touches that trigger the screen to light up. Wipe your display gently with a clean microfiber cloth and ensure there's no moisture near the edges. After adjusting these settings, the screen lighting up randomly on Galaxy S25 Ultra should stop, and your phone will behave much more predictably. If this video helped fix the display issue on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, give it a like, or watch another quick guide to improve your phone even more.